Hey, we're back with another video. This time we're covering an issue we've been hearing a lot about, the fact that gas fees are just way too high. Yeah, we've heard it all before. The Ethereum network transaction fees have been crazy. It might cost 50 bucks to do a single trade on a decentralized exchange such as Uniswap. Well, one solution to this problem is what is called a layer 2 blockchain. You can Google what an L2 blockchain is to learn more, but right now we'll be covering how to buy Aria without breaking the bank using Matic. I'm assuming you already have a wallet that interacts with the Ethereum blockchain. I'm personally using MetaMask, and quick caveat, make sure that you download your wallet extension directly from the developer's website. In this case, it's metamask.io. So first we'll go to the Quickswap exchange, quickswap.exchange, and we'll hit the switch to Matic button here. A MetaMask notification window will pop up. Check that the network information, name, URL, chain ID, match the screen, and if everything is in order, click approve. All right, you should see your Matic in the upper right-hand corner. In the From section, let's keep Matic, and in the To section, let's select our lovely token. There it is. All right, let's put how much Matic we want to swap for Aria20, so that's a fair amount. Let's hit swap and confirm swap. A MetaMask notification will pop up and we just have to click confirm. And do we just see how low the gas fees were? Do we need to rewind the video? I think we do. Now let's check in MetaMask to see if we can see our Aria20. If it wasn't added automatically to your list of assets, you can add the token manually. Now for this step, please refer to our Medium article, which is in the link below, and you'll be able to find the token contract address. So we're gonna go here, copy and paste, and hit next. Let's add tokens. And there we are. And now you're all set. Congratulations on purchasing Aria tokens without paying an arm and a leg for gas fees. You can check us out on Telegram, on Discord, we're basically everywhere. All the links are below.